Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Augusto. Welcome to the channel, and today I will be addressing some questions about Zipgrade. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll leave the card here for the first video with the tutorial. Zipgrade for you to learn absolutely all the steps to use this wonderful tool that greatly assists teachers in the classroom. I'm already asking you to subscribe to the channel and help spread this content to more people. Well, so the first question is this. How much does Zipgrade cost? As soon as you access the Zipgrade website, it already shows here in the My Account section. It says here, look, with your free account, you can grade up to 100 papers each month. You have 100 papers remaining, need more. So it already gives the price here, right? Buy a year of unlimited grading for $6.99, so it costs $7 per year for you to grade unlimited papers, for you to grade unlimited answer sheets. If you go through the mobile app, the price is already in reais. I don't know why, but the price already appears in reais. When you enter the My Account section here, it shows 100 papers remaining in 2022, which I don't have a paid subscription for. I used to, but I don't anymore. And buy a year of unlimited grading, unlimited scanning for $39.90. The price on the mobile is already in reais, and the price on the website is in dollars. So pay close attention if you are going to buy, because suddenly the dollar might be higher and you end up paying a bit more. So that's the price of Zipgrade. It costs $39.90 per year for unlimited grading. Now the second question that is all about paid versus free, which is what is the difference between the paid version and the free version? It has all the features of the paid version, with the difference that in the free version you can only grade 100 papers, you can only do 100 scans per month. And in the paid version, you pay the amount I already mentioned, right? $39.90, and you have unlimited grading. If you have a few classes, say a class of 20 students, and you're going to do 5 activities, then the free version is enough for you. Now, if you have many students, many classes, then I recommend buying it so you can be free to grade as many activities as you want. Since I have had both versions, I am sure that the free version is the same. The paid version differs in the number of corrections you can make per month. The third question that also came to me there on YouTube, if you haven't seen the tutorial yet, it's there in the card, is how many classes can I create? In the free version, as I mentioned before, you can create as many classes as you want. The number of students and classes is unlimited. Of answer sheets you will create, of different models of answer sheets with 5, 10, 15, it doesn't matter. Really, the only difference is the number of answer sheets you can correct, which in this case is 100 per month. So, you can create as many classes Abisahu as you want in the free version. The fourth question